church announcements. We want to make them as fun and engaging as we can and memorable. So if you're not using a video on your screen for church announcements, this is a really easy thing to do in Canva Pro. If you haven't got Canva Pro, apply for it as a not-for-profit, and churches can get Canva Pro for free. And if you've tried and got knocked back, try again. And yeah, sometimes takes a couple of times for churches to get approved. So Canva is pretty easy to set up. You just add your slides in, element. So I'll say I'm going to do, you can tell I do a lot of worship stuff on here. And we're going to advertise a worship meeting. So I'm just going to pop that in here. I should have clicked on it instead of dragged it, but that's okay. And add some text. So I want something now. Yeah, something nice and bright and readable. So you just go through, select your text and edit the text. Probably would do that one a bit different text, but anyway, this is just example. And you could add some animation in on this text. So animation is where it rises, pans. There's lots of different animations you can write. So each box you can set your animation you can set your animation for. So I'm just using this for example, and there we go, we've got our slide. So this is very an example, and you can change the text, color, etc. all up here, the font size, color, etc. So that's just a sample. Try to make it very readable and enlarge it if you have to, or make it darker depending on your screen. Every screen's different, and some you have to make darker than others because their building is so light. So once you've got all your slides set up, click on the three dots here on the first slide and go add transition, and here you can just add transitions of what it's going to look like changing one slide to another, which is pretty easy, pretty simple. And once you've picked the transition you want, apply between all pages, and then you've got the transition happening between them all. You can add some music if you like by clicking audio, and I've got worship to pick there, and I'm just going to pick, I don't know what it sounds like, but I'm just going to pick that one for illustration. So then you get your illustration, and you can test by going present, autoplay. Let's have a look. Lamb of God. Okay, so when you've got it all ready in the way you like it, and you don't have to put music, you can leave that off if you've got a audio team who will add music on the Sunday. So then it's ready for Sunday, so just go to share, download, and you want to download it as a PDF video, and click download, and then that will be ready to send. Now, if you find your videos too big to send, you would probably put it in a Dropbox anyway. You can, oh, I lost it. You can make it smaller size for sending in the quality. So yeah, have fun. This is one thing I do for churches. So if you need someone to do it for you, yell out and I'm here, or I'm here to help. Okay, see ya.